Okay guys, back again with another, I would say part 2. Yeah, let me just say part 2 video of this. Yes guys, so normally I wouldn't show this video that I'm going to do now, I just go straight to, the testing. But before the testing guys, I remove, as you can see, remove everything from here. Alright, so now this is what I do. This is a 4-inch voice coils, and I have a dust cap here that measures 4¼ inch across guys. If you guys can see, alright guys, so now what I do with this guys, you remember it come with this one that I cut out from here. Yeah, so this is what I'm going to put here guys. I'm gonna do it like this. See that? I'm gonna glue right around it guys, right around, right around, and then after I'm gonna put regular dust cap. Okay guys, so yeah, so let's let me go ahead and do that now guys. So you have to be careful with this thing now guys. So we're gonna put a little bead around here, make sure it doesn't run down inside. You don't want that to happen guys. Ay, 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 ay. You don't want to get inside there guys, so that's why you just put a little around this part here guys. So nothing to let it run guys and stuff like that. I'm gonna show you a little trick that you can do if you put a lot around it, and then like wondering, man, is it going to run? Yeah. So even if this one guy won't make it all the way down to the voice guys, so see, once you put it there guys, you can do this. See that? Keep turning it like that. Alright, so I'm gonna do it like that. I'm gonna leave it like that now guys. And what I'm going to do now is put something heavy in the middle here, so it's stay where it's at. And here now, I'm not going to go crazy guys. I'm just gonna put a little just to hold it, and then something. Oh, it's raining guys. Oh, guys, wait a minute. I'll get up some stuff outside. It's guys a rainy day here in Florida guys, and it's also a holiday. It's also Labor Day guys. So yeah. Oh man, it's blowing inside the garage. Come on, wake up to blow this way. The wind is blowing the wrong way guys. Yeah, guys, so yep. Right, so this is the time I can do this now. If I do this guys, I don't want this to build up. Yeah, and this glue actuator is not for this type of this glue guys. It's not for this glue. It didn't come for with this glue. It's a different actuator, but it works. Just let you guys know from now. When anybody start asking me where do I get that one, yeah, this one doesn't. It's not the one for this one. It works perfectly. Sometimes you have to improvise, guys. Do your own thing. Yeah. Yep, yep. Make sure I don't have anything outside waiting up at the front. Yeah. Let's check, guys. Give it. Right. So yeah, guys, I'm almost finished with the sub. You guys can see? Good. Damn. So yeah, I'll give that some time to cure, guys, and then then I put the big guy here, guys. Must say we are saved the original gasket, guys. I didn't have to put the original one back, but its fiber is still it match the coning. See, guys, there you go. The fiber, yeah, matches the cone. So maybe somebody think this is the one that comes with it. Yeah, maybe they'll think that way because it matches with it, but when they see the sub, they're gonna be like, "Oh man, what did I get? Do I get that one to buy? It does the cone, that cone, but yeah." So alright, yes, guys, I'm making sure it matches from side to side before I make a mark, guys, and I want it to be on the line, guys. So we right around and see. Good way of doing it is spin it like this and see if anywhere is off, then there, but to me, it looks good right here. Yeah, that's it. Uh, Marker that I use now. And the red marker. The red is more visible, guys. Here. Whew. Look at that red marker, guys. I always look, see if it will make a move. Look, yeah, guys, that little red looks really good around it. You think, guys? Look. Wow. So this is how it's gonna look, guys. Yep. Something like that, guys. And this side turned to me. So yep. I'm looking inside here now. The distance, the dot. Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. So right now, guys, I can go ahead and put some seal around this. I'm gonna put. Let's see. I don't know. You don't have to put seal here, guys. No way you don't have to. You can use the water-based one. But you could go crazy because you already have this, so there's no way it's gonna blow off that and blow off this that easy because that one is seal glued on. This one you could just put the regular water-based glue, and put some weight on it, guys, and that's it. But this one I do it like this, guys. I put it a little bit heavy, not too heavy. Because the glue that was here, guys, it was like a water-based thing, man. So you guys, oh, what the heck is this? This up. Where would the thing come from? I do this, guys. So I do this piece of tape. God, this tape is not even, it's not working out for me, guys. We got tape, believe me. So I'm gonna do it like this, guys. So take a look, guys. And then it go down, 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 down like that. Yep. Ooh-wee. Nice. Ooh-wee. Nice. I'm gonna wait and put on this thing now, guys. Like the same. This will hold it for now. Could go on it with. Right. I need something a little bit heavier for this one. Yep. Yeah, I could go ahead and put some around this here, guys, but no, that's a lot already. So now I'm gonna put this to the side somewhere for it to cure a couple of hours, guys. Yep. Gonna have to clamp these back. Oh my God, this is heavy, guys. Believe me. Ay ay ay. I put it where it was last night. Oh my words. I wonder how much that weighs. I don't know. Jeez. Alright, guys. So that's it for that sub, and I have a lot more stuff to do, guys. Jeez. I have fun at the here, guys, which I'm gonna go ahead and start here now. Please like, subscribe, like what you see, guys. See you on the testing video of this subwoofer, guys. Alright? Alright, guys, out for now. Alright? Enough respect.